So over here, you can see that on the top, I got two tabs over here. So one is a Wikipedia tab and one is a Bing tab right here, just like this. So what I can do is I can go around and click and drag around to move around the tab from left side to right side as well and rearrange the tab. To open up a new tab, you can go around and click on the plus button right here, just like this, and a new tab will open up where you can go around and type in some other email, other address as you like right here, just like this, and access out that particular tab right here. What you can also do is you can press Ctrl T on your keyboard to open up a new tab, and you have a new tab right here. And for each of the tab, you can click and drag around to rearrange the tab just like that. So that is how you can go around and arrange out the tab. And what you can also do is close the tab by clicking on the close button right here. So whatever tabs you don't like or you want to close, you can simply close out that tab over there just like that as well. And that is how you can arrange out tabs inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.